Namaste everyone. So last time we have learnt about the Kapalabhati and the three mudras. I hope so you are doing all the three mudras, that is the Chin Mudra, Chinmay Mudra and Adi Mudra. So all these things you are practicing and it will be very much beneficial for you. So every day you have to practice. How we eat food every day? So without eating food we can't live. In the same way, without doing yoga, without doing pranayama, we should not be able to fulfill our day completely. Okay. So like that, I'll be showing you one more mudra. So before that, in pranayama one more shloka is there. So that is called as, I'll just tell about that shloka. I'll just chant that shloka. You have to do this namaskar mudra. प्राणस्येदं वशे सर्वं त्रिदिवे यत्प्रतिष्ठितं मातेव पुत्रान् रक्षस्व श्रीसप्रज्ञांश्च विदेहि नहिति ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Okay? To keep your hands back, breathe in and then slowly breathe out and come down. Breathe in. Then slowly the both of your palms. Relax your eyeballs. Slowly keep your hands down. With a few blinks, open your eyes. So this is called as a pranayama shloka. So every day before doing the pranayama, just chant this shloka. You will feel the beautiful vibrations. Okay? Prana sedam vashe sarvam. Prana sedam vashe sarvam means prana is everywhere. Energy is everywhere. Okay? So Tridiveyat Pratishtitam. So Tridiveyat Pratishtitam means in all the three lokas. Okay. So you will tell the earth, in the Swarga Loka, Pata. So everywhere. So the whole space is occupied with this prana. Okay. Prana Sedam Vashe Sarvam Tridiveyat Pratishtitam Mateva Putran Rakshasva. So how the mother protects a child. Mateva Putran Rakshasva Srisa Prajnanscha Videhi Nahiti. So please give me that pranic energy and make me fulfilled all with the pranic energy and please remove my blockages. Okay. So this is the mantra. This is the meaning of this mantra. Pranasiddham Vashe. So every day if you chant this mantra, you can feel the beautiful vibrations in your body. Okay. So now let us, we had done the Kapalbhati last time. We had done the mudras last time. I hope so you're practicing and you're getting benefited from that. So now let us practice one more mudra. So everybody will tell we have a back pain and how to get rid of that back pain. So to get rid of that back pain, one more this mudra is called as Merudanda. Okay, you have to keep the thumb like this. You have seen the thumbs up now. So everybody likes this thumbs up. Okay. So you have to keep this like this in a very stretched way. You should not bend it like this. You have to keep it stretched like this. Okay. Keep it on your lap. And very slowly inhale and exhale. So you have to inhale deeply and exhale slowly this Merudanda. So every day you practice this Merudanda. It is very much helpful to have a good flow of pranic energy in your backbone. Okay. So next in Merudanda, there are, and once again the variations are there. For the lower back, if you have the low back pain, you have to keep it like this. The thumbs facing each other. Okay. And you have to keep it on your lap. And very slowly inhale and exhale with a beautiful smiling face. Breathe in and breathe out. have to practice the Merudanda. That is the first one like this. Okay. So that also practice for 15 to 20 times. So if you just practice for just 5 times or something, it won't be beneficial that much. If you practice for 15 to 20 minutes or something like that, or like if you want to practice, you can practice like half an hour one mudra. So it is very beneficial. It provides a pranic energy. We'll just be thinking what will happen because of just this mudra. But our palms are the energy force. So by this, if you practice like this, all the energy force, all the pranic energy will go to that part of our body. Okay, so Merudanda, we practice this way for the whole back region, this way for the lower back, and next we have to practice the thumbs opposite, like it's like this. Okay, keep it on your lap, breathe in and breathe out for 15 to 20 minutes. Very slow inhalation, very slow exhalation. Breathe in very slowly, breathe out gently. Do for 15 to 20 minutes. You can feel a beautiful relaxation. So first one for the whole back, second one for the lower back, third one for the upper backs. So all these 3 mudras, the Merudanda variations, it is very much helpful for your back region. Okay, so let us end this session. Thank you. Practice every day. Thank you.